Hello everyone, this is a video that we took at a harvest host. It was a dairy farm in New York State. It was my birthday. I had been looking forward to it. Mr. B didn't want so much to do with it. He'd done enough farming in his life, so I did it myself. Now the exciting thing about this was I was able to work, because as you know I have my own channel and I was working during the day. But the milking didn't happen until 9 o'clock at night, so they milk later in the morning so that they can milk at 9 at night and don't have to get up at the crack of dawn. These little dairy cows were so awesome. They were big, they weren't really little. The Jerseys were smaller, but those Holsteins and other ones were really big. I had such a fun time. I actually milked one with the electric milkers, but I got to put them on and I was not very good at it, but it was fun. It's mainly a video of my rear end, so it's just as well that Mr. B can't find that particular video. But it was such a fun day. I will say this is for entertainment purposes only. So if you see anything that you might deem gross, just ignore it, because that's the norm in a dairy farm. And it's part of the things you have to deal with. But it was super, super fun. I saw calves. The dogs were awesome. The cows were great. We got to do some really fun things, and I had a ball. So here it is. Enjoy. Boy, look. Hey, Willie. Hey, Waylon. That's Waylon. Hey, Waylon. You ready to go to the barn? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Willie. Sit. Good boy. Waylon, come here. Okay, both of you. Sit. Sit, boys. Such good dogs. Such good dogs. Let's go to the barn. Let's go. Ready? Where's Terry? Huh? Where's Terry? Where is she? The cows. Yeah, there's the cows. You ready? Where's Terry? I can't find her. Look who's sitting here and we didn't even see it. Who's sitting here? Hey, chicken. What are you doing? Are you getting some food? Are you getting some food, big chicken? Oh, these are the calves. Let's turn it over. There they are back there.
DWITom.com. Here we are focused in one area of the law makes us better for you. So if you or someone you care about is charged with DWI, have them go to DWITom.com, the only place you can find.
This is Terry Phillips, and she is the daughter of the who?
Ron and Elma.
Ron and Elma, who live in the big house?
Yes.
Okay. And she is in charge of the cows?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me about all this stuff.
Okay, so we have a stanchion tie stall barn set up, so we take the machines to the cows and they stay in the same spot.
Oh, cool. So those are the machines?
Yep, these are the machines, and we take them off and it goes out to the cows, and I put a filter in and change the pipe around so the milk goes right to the tank.
This tank?
Yep, from this jar.
From this jar.
It pumps it, there's a motor there, and it pumps it into the tank,
the big
and
tank.
we never touch the milk with our hands.
I saw the milk inspector today.
Yeah.
She was here.
Yep, they come and check on us all the time.
Yep. And you don't know when they're coming, do you?
No.
Yeah.
Nope.
Awesome. And how many cows do you have?
There's 45 milk and there's 46 stalls in the barn. One is overdue.
Okay. Awesome. Let's go do something.
Okay, well,
So what's that in there?
it's chlorine and water. It fills it up with water.
Okay, so chlorine, so you sterilize everything.
Yep, before we milk.
Okay.
And then afterwards it
Do you have
sanitizes.
to clean the udders of the cows as
Yes.
well?
Yep, that's what the teat dip is over there for.
Teat dip.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I don't have the containers ready yet, so
Okay.
you see that.
Let's go do it. How long will you stay here tonight?
Depends on how things go.
Okay.
Sometimes it's midnight, and sometimes it's 2 o'clock.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hence why I don't get up in the morning this early.
Well, you don't milk till 10, right? In the morning?
Yeah.
So this is the danger zone. You want to make sure you're not standing right behind them. And the dogs are playing with something in there. So that is teat dip.
Yep.
Okay. And that sterilizes them, and you're going to do 6 cows at once.
Come here for a second. You want to feel the vacuum?
Yeah.
Put your hand out.
Wow. That's stronger than a breast pump.
Well, it's 15 pieces. The vacuum's 15.
Oh my gosh. So then you dry them off,
Yep.
and then you put those little suckers on.
Yep. And she's only a 3 tenner, so.
3?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. That's nice. She's younger.
Oh,
I think she's 8.
8.
I remember.
They don't look overly full either.
Well, I was late this morning.
Huh?
I was late this morning.
Oh, okay. Are you skipping this one?
I milked 1 cow,
Uh-huh.
2 cows with 1 inlet.
Oh, so they're both on that?
No, well, I'll milk.
Oh, you'll take her. I get you. I get you. Okay. I may be able to name these cows.
Well, I got the name.
I started to say I noticed those now. She doesn't want you to mess with her.
Some of them are snotty. She was extra muddy.
I didn't realize they had little extra teeth sometimes.
Yeah, hers did get cut off. Normally they get cut
Oh, they
off.
cut those off.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I missed her.
Okay. Perfect shot.
It's unusual for her.
Okay. And they never kick you in the head?
Not lately.
Not lately. Yowz. I think I'd be coming around from the side.
Oh, when they're new, you do.
Yeah.
Take a lot more precautions when they're new cows.
Is she new?
No.
gallons?
No, 150 pounds. We go by pounds.
So how many is that in gallons?
It's like 8.7 pounds to the gallon, so roughly 9.
Wow, that's a lot of milk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on.
Watch your tail is gonna produce. Really happy. Nope. Really? She doesn't want anything to do with her. I don't know if she's feeling all that great. She just had her calf a couple. Okay, she's not as full as she was. Good boy.
These are Holsteins.
Yes.
So I'm going to record the Holsteins. Much bigger. Good job. Actually, now I'm recording. Okay, so this is raw milk. It's being milked right now from the cows, and we're drawing off a half bucket each for the 2 calves. Okay, we're at the end of milking. All these little milk machine thingies have been used by all the cows. Terry did a great job. Got a vat full of milk, fed the calves, fed the chickens, fed the turkeys. I think that's everybody. Okay, thanks, Terry.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed those videos, that little composite of all the little videos I made. Walking home that evening, I took a beautiful video of the moon shining down. The dogs were assisting me back to the RV. Unfortunately, that one didn't come out. So picture in your mind a beautiful moon shining down, full moon. It was just wonderful. I had such a good time. I am not a night person. I'm usually asleep at 9:30. It was close to midnight when I got in, and I was so pumped. I had such a good time. I know that might not be your cup of tea, but I just really, really enjoyed it. I think I'm a farm girl at heart. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and always remember to drive safe and have happy trails.